Okay, so this is a 2015 Subaru Forester. Let me pop the hood here real quick. And so why do we need to change air filters? Well, the most important reason is it can damage your engine if you don't. So you don't want dirt particles and dust and stuff to get inside the engine. But today, what's really important is fuel economy. So we want to get the best fuel economy that we can possibly get. So of course, changing the air filter makes a lot of sense. So anyway, in the engine compartment, down here is the housing. Now, what a lot of people will do with this, the simple way, well, it's not really simple because it can be difficult to actually do, but they'll flip the clips and this housing will separate. And you can see it's not easy to do. The reason for that, the housing has pins on the bottom to hold it, and you can lift it and finagle it, move it to get filter out. But getting another one back in can create some problems sometimes. So let's do it the long way. That's one way. Some garages do that, but you have to understand they do them all the time. So I'm going to reconnect the clips and we're going to go towards the long way. So the long way is not really a long way. I mean, it's easy to do. Right here on top of this housing, you see there's an electrical connection. We need to pull the plug out of the electrical, and then this hose clamp, we're going to loosen the hose clamp. That's going to allow this hose to separate from the housing. Then when we take the clips off, the housing will be loose and allow us to pull it clear out. So let me get the tripod set up and we'll get this thing fixed. So let's talk just a moment before I jump in here about air filters and all the filters in your vehicle as far as that goes. They're there for a reason and they are all important. The air filter is a very easy thing to change and can actually boost your fuel economy. So when they get dirty, there's several things. Like I said, you can get dirt debris inside the engine. Um, you can get black smoke coming out of your exhaust because you don't have a correct air fuel mixture burning. Actually, your engine light can come on too. So, with it being so easy, I would highly recommend that you take care of your air filter and all of your filters for that matter. So, we're going to get this one fixed. Okay, as mentioned before, this electrical connector needs to come off, then we'll release the hose from the housing. So there's a little tab that holds this on, and on the very back of the electrical connectors, a little tab. And if you push down on this, it lifts it off of the tab that's preventing it. So I'm just going to push down on the back of this and then pull it off. Very easy to do. Just push on this back tab to release it. Okay, now we'll remove the air hose. Just loosen up the clamp. And like I say, this seems like this would be a harder way to do it, but I can tell you trying to fish that filter in can be a pain sometimes. So we're loose. See if we can slide this off. We can. So it's off. Now we're going to release the springs and then slide it backwards and up out of there. And there's our filter. This side looks really good. Heading into the engine. This side, you can see we're getting bugs and crud and dirt stuck down in there. So we're going to replace it with a filter that I have the links for in the description below. Okay, so our new filter, it's all wrapped from the factory. So as I change this and see the direction that it goes in, please, if you like this type of information, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel and we'll keep these videos coming. Okay, the folds, we want to put it back in just the way the other one came out. So this lip stays on the outside. This part will go inside the housing. Just like that. And now we'll put the housing back on. Okay, so just grab the housing, slide the bottom of it inwards first, then push the top in. Go ahead and connect your springs. Take a look all the way around your housing to make sure you're all the way up. We are. We'll reconnect our hose. Very simple thing to do, guys, and it definitely will keep your engine in better condition, car running longer. Just normal maintenance. We'll slide this on until it clicks, and it did, and we are done. So again, if you like this type of information, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.